Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. First of all, I hope you are fine and happy. Today I am here with a new video. As you know, the video is about flower planters outdoor. In this video, you can see different types of flower planters or flower container gardening in this video. So you can see different types of colorful plants, flowers, different types of flower pots, flower planters. In this video, you will discover flower planter ideas are a fabulous way to take any plot up a notch. No matter how much space or gardening experience you have, they are an easy and effective way to make a stylish statement for your outdoor spaces. Some ideas like go rustic with your window boxes, add a sense of play with novelty planters, make vertical gardening easy with a built-in trellis, create wall art with sculptural containers for your outdoor spaces. Use a multi-tiered container for a sleek and stylish display of flower planters. Option for dimpled textures and many other designs. As you can see in this video, you can also play with height by adding legs, vases or plant pots. Try a two-tone look. Hang your planters up on your outdoor doors and other spaces. So in this video, you can see many types of concepts to decorate your outdoor designs by adding different types of flower planters. Thank you so much for watching my video. Then please thumbs up.